latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Former Indian bowler Lakshmipathy Balaji has heaped praise on MS Dhoni, saying that the veteran wicketkeeper batsman had a massive influence not just on Indian cricket but world cricket. Balaji added that from the year 2000, according to me, there is nobody like Dhoni who's had such a massive influence on not just Indian cricket but world cricket. Former cricketer turned commentator Akash Chopra has urged veteran cricketer Suresh Raina to come out of international retirement like former Pakistani cricketer Shahid Afridi, who did it many times in his career. Chopra also said that he believes that if he has a couple of brilliant IPL seasons, he could very well make it to the T20 World Cup squad. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly has assured that India will fulfill its Future Tours Programme or FTP commitments and will host England in February before the 2020 edition of the Indian Premier League. Ganguly has laid out a roadmap for the Indian cricket and is doing his best to get as much domestic action as possible this year. On the back of Zach Crawley's maiden double ton and Jos Buttler's 152, England scored 583 before deciding to put Pakistan to bed. In reply, Pakistan has lost 3 of their top order batsmen as Jimmy Anderson continues to inch closer to the remarkable 600 wickets mark. Pakistan are currently at 24 for 3 and trail England by 559 runs. Kolkata Knight Riders skipper Dinesh Karthik conceded that the road might be full of obstacles, keeping in mind the difficult times due to the COVID-19 pandemic, where the players have mostly spent their time confined to home. Karthik affirmed that the team, along with him, is willing to give it all in order to win the title. Rohit Sharma thanked his fans after bagging the prestigious Khel Ratna award and dedicated the honour to all his loyalists. Rohit said that it wouldn't have been possible without the unwavering support of his fans. BCCI on 21st August confirmed that Rohit Sharma will receive India's highest sporting honour virtually on 29th August. Star Indian wrestler Bajrang Punia has said that the start of the Indian Premier League will bring positivity among all sporting activities around the world. He said if the IPL concludes in the UAE without any hiccups, then other sports might also think to resume events after a prolonged break due to the pandemic. Former Indian all-rounder Irfan Pathan has floated an interesting idea of concluding a farewell game of all recently retired players against the current Indian squad. Pathan made the statement on the back of increasing demand for a farewell game for the recently retired MS Dhoni and Suresh Raina. Pakistan head coach Misbah-ul-Haq could be asked to relinquish his role as chief selector after the team returns from England, as the cricket authorities are considering appointing a new person for the job. The PCB now feels that it is best if the burden was reduced on Misbah and allow him to focus as head coach.